Hi everybody, Vid from Masca here. Today I will make a short introduction to the exciting project we are building and how we are using PolygonID to enhance user privacy and security. So Masca is a MetaMask snap that brings decentralized identity functionality straight to the MetaMask, which means that you can use decentralized identifiers and verifiable credentials with MetaMask. Masca is available in the Snap's open beta from the day one, which means that you can start using it today. So what can you do with Masca? Masca enables you to generate DIDs, store verifiable credentials, create and share verifiable presentation, receive verifiable credentials from issuers, and share verifiable presentation with verifiers. And there is much more that you can do with it. It is as simple as with other native MetaMask methods, which means in a more technical forum that Masca exposes RPC methods which you can use in the same way as you are already using MetaMask today. So what is at the moment supported? So Masca already supports various protocols and integrations. So some of the DID methods that it currently supports is DID key, DID public key hash, DID Ethereum, DID PolygonID. We also support several VC formats such as JSON LD and JSON Web Tokens. You can store verifiable credentials in different places, such as in local Snap storage, which is encrypted off-chain storage, directly in MetaMask, and we also support Ceramic Network. We also support different data exchange protocols such as OpenID for verifiable credentials and the protocol used in the PolygonID. And we are already working on many exciting new features such as supporting selective disclosure, on-chain capabilities of the PolygonID protocol, and new storage solutions. And we are also working on the mobile version. Since MetaMask snaps will be available on the mobile sometime next year, we are already working on this integration. So why we decided to integrate PolygonID? So PolygonID offers a very flexible and advanced solution which enables us to enhance user privacy and security of their identity data. PolygonID, as you already know, supports zero-knowledge proofs. And by supporting PolygonID, we are joining their thriving PolygonID ecosystem, which already contains several projects working on different exciting use cases, such as decentralized finance, gaming, access control, different access control mechanisms, and civil attack resistance. So in this demo, I'm going to showcase how you can use Masca with a decentralized exchange use case, which will be a forked version of Uniswap. So in the first part, we are going to retrieve the Uniswap credibility credential from ReputeX platform over the PolygonID issuance protocol. ReputeX is a project working on solving the reputation problems in the Web3 space. And they are offering like Uniswap credibility credential, which just showcase your credibility. And this credential will be used in the second part on our Uniswap forked version, where you will have to authorize with this credential in order to be able to swap tokens. And both parts will contain and showcase how you can use Masca to get verifiable credential and store them in Masca. And in the second part, how you can share these credentials for some functionalities. So let's dive into it. So before we started with the demo, I just wanted to show you the Masca dApp, which serves as an identity hub for users where they can see their decentralized identifiers and verifiable credentials from all over the places where they go to the credentials. So the users can connect with MetaMask, and there they can see their decentralized identifier. They can create decentralized identities for different DID methods, and also we support different networks for certain decentralized identity methods. So we can load the credentials. At the moment, there is no credential in Masca, so it's just showing a pop-up. But in this place, they can see all the credentials they have in the wallet, which we will be able to see later when we will obtain the credibility credentials from ReputeX platform. So here we are on the ReputeX platform, where we are going to get the Uniswap credibility credential. So first we are going to connect the wallet, which is a MetaMask. And after we are connected, we can go to the PolygonID tab where we are going to get the new credentials. So we can see that we already obtained some credentials, but for the purposes of this demo, we are going to request a new credential. So here we can select the Uniswap credibility credential, and we can start the process of issuing the credential. So we are going to click on generate new, and we can see that the platform supports Masca and it will require 3 approvals to get the credential. So the first credential is the Masca pop-up for the authorization request, which is the part of the Polygon ID flow. We are going to approve the request. And after the authorization request finishes, we can continue with getting the credential. So the next pop-up is for the credential offer. So here we can already see the information about the credential that will be issued. So we can see it's going to be the Uniswap credibility credential. So we can approve the credential offer. And after the credential offer finishes, we can save the verifiable credential in Masca. So we can click approve, and the credential is stored in Masca. So if we go to the dashboard that we developed, which serve as the identity hub for the Masca wallet, we can load the credentials. And we can see the Uniswap credibility credential is stored successfully in the Masca. So in the second part of the demo, we are on the Uniswap interface, which is a forked version of the classic Uniswap, but with the addition for the Polygon ID protocol. So here we are going to connect with the MetaMask wallet. And after we are connected, we go to the swap interface. So now we can swap the Matic token for the ETH. So for example, we want to swap 1 Matic token, but before the user can swap, he needs to authorize with Polygon ID. So in the background, we are going to share the verifiable credential, which means the Uniswap credibility credential. And if the credential is successfully verified, the user is able to swap tokens on the Uniswap. So for example, at the moment we are using credibility credential, but which we can see here, but in the production ready environment, this could also be like KYC credential or other types of credentials. So we need to wait that the credential is successfully verified, and when the credential is verified, we will be able to swap tokens. So the credential was successfully verified, and we can continue with swapping. So we need to confirm swap. We get another pop-up. We confirm the transaction, and swap was successfully executed. This is all for my side for now. So in this demos, you were able to see how you can use Polygon ID protocol with only MetaMask, and there is no need for any other wallet or scanning of QR codes. So we are looking forward to see all the exciting use cases developers will build with Masca, and there are also a lot of things in the pipeline from our side as well, such as supporting on-chain capabilities of Polygon ID protocol and extending Masca to better support Web2 use cases. So thanks for sticking to the end, and till the next time.